Could this be the perfect one? Just arrived, D350 X-Dynamic HSE Defender 110 hardtop commercial. Now, these cars don't grow on trees, not with this engine, not with this spec, and certainly not with this exterior look. Santorini black with the wide track kit, 22-inch wheels, steps, mud flaps, light pod. It looks absolutely amazing. It's new but registered, it's VAT qualifying. It has got that stealth look that sells these every time we get one for us very, very quickly. 26 model year, giving you new lights front and rear, but this car has the air suspension. It has the factory deployable Towbar. It's a two-seater, which is requested probably more than the jump seat from our customers. Now then, on an HSE specification, we're getting some amazing things. We'll talk about that in a second, but let's talk about this. The bonnet insert, the wing insert, the wide track arches, these wonderful gloss black 22-inch wheels. We've then got the lower canards, the LED inserts into the fog lights, the full black styling. It's on 200 delivery miles. Like I say, it's VAT qualifying, it's plus VAT. Buy it in your business, run it through your business. It's so tax efficient to do so. And then we talk about the HSE spec. We look at the dark crossbeam, so it's all stealth inside as well. The new 13.1-inch screen, air suspension, heated and ventilated, Nappa leather, full Nappa leather seats for driver and passenger. Because it's a two-seat, we've got the centre armrest, we've got wireless phone charging, we've got Meridian sound system, we've got ambient lighting. This is really, for me, as good as it gets for one of these. The stealth look, that Santorini black, the rear spoiler, the spare wheel cover, everything is just perfect. To the rear, 26 model year car gives you these flat lens LED tail lights. And then we got the extra bits that really make this a top car. The factory deployable tow bar, the air suspension setting. So if you are going to tow something, the air suspension is ultra important to lower this tailgate down to allow you to hook up to your caravan or your trailer, whatever it may be. Soft closing rear door. Like I say, spare wheel cover, mud flaps, all black throughout this car. Roof rails, then we've got a 5-door Defender now. Lockable space under the floor, right and left, and you can even go under the floor there. And then inside, the driver gets the ultra experience from the specification. So electric memory seats, the sound system, the switchable ambient lighting, and this wonderful heated and ventilated Nappa leather. Now the leather doesn't stop there, because on the HSE car, you're getting leather here, you're getting leather here, and you're getting leather here. Wrapped in Nappa leather is the steering wheel, which is heated adaptive cruise, switchable driver cockpit. Then we've got this, the big screen. Now this is making a much better experience to drive from the new Defender, because the screen is the same size as the Range Rover and the Range Rover Sport. It's crisper, it's sharper, it's clearer, and just much better to use. 360 surround view camera system, 3D camera and towing camera. Like I've mentioned, ventilated and heated seats to the front, heated front and rear screens, wireless phone charging, twin cup holders, 2 wonderful keys, including keys to lock the floor in the back. This is amazing. You know, we get them, we sell them quickly, but you cannot waste time. If you're looking for one of these and you want the best and you want the look and you want the D350 engine like this with all the spec, you've got to ring and get it bought. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.